Alright, good morning. Can we say, are you trying your food? Chew, chew, chew. Use your teeth. Yum, yum, yum. And make sure you swallow it so it's all done. Okay, after you chew, you have some milk and some sausage. You still have some left. You have just some milk, and there's your shoes. Alright, can you say hello?
Hello.
And say hi?
Hi.
And can you say cuckoo?
Ooh.
Say woo. Can you say woo? Say woo. Cuckoo.
Mama.
Your mama's coming in a minute. You say woo. Can you say woo? Good job. You say woo. Can you say woo for daddy? Say woo. Yeah, I see you. Can you say woo? Say woo. What the owl say? Woo, woo, woo.
Woo.
Woo. Say woo. You like some more of your food? You say cuckoo.
Woo.
Oh, woo. Say,
Woo.
and the balloon goes up, up, up. And what, the kite goes up as well? Can you say hello?
Hello.
And say hi. And can you say careful?
Careful.
And you can say woo.
Cool.
Oh, woo. Say cuckoo.
Up. Up.
Alright, be careful. Say cuckoo.
Off.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off in a minute. You say woo. Say woo for daddy.
Woo.
Say woo.
Apple.
A waffle. Alright, you say bye-bye. Bye everybody, kiss.
No.
Good job.